All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. If it's your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits, Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. I am a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today we're going to be touring this lovely home over here at PECCOLE Ranch. We're just east of Summerlin and right off of Charleston. So a lot of your shopping is just going to be right down the road here. And also we have a community pool park. This is actually gated to as well because this is a master plan. We actually have two HOAs here. We have one for 105 and then the sub is 60. So you're gonna be paying about 165 a month. So this home that we're gonna be touring today was built in 1998. Some of the stuff the original owners did a couple of remodel. Let's just take a look here. So number one, I've noticed we do have solar panels. Okay. 2-car garage. It is 1,950 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. And the price on here is $545,000, which is a pretty good deal. Looks like the stucco, we have a little bit cracking on the stucco, but that is normal for here. Now the home is facing east, so your sun exposure is going to be coming up this way on the east and sitting back here on the west here. Looks like we got some solar screens. Pretty decent, nice and open. Now one thing I've noticed here, I don't know if you guys can see the glare. So it looks like the original 20 by 20 tile, and they had added the flooring right above it. So this is actually a LVP, but the problem here, I don't know if you guys can see the glare. You can see where the 20 by 20, these are all ran diamond cut, but they didn't take out the flooring before laying the LVP. And what happens is when you do that and you glue this down, you start walking, you're gonna see all the 20 by 20 tile here. Baseboards are in a good condition. So we have a formal dining room. Now one thing I've noticed here, so right above, we've got some taping where the drywall seam had matched. That is starting to come apart. Then here, looks like they had cut a hole here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Okay. That was done for a reason. And this section right here is a little bit lower. So that tells me the bathroom is above. So we need to find out what is going on with that. Extra storage space underneath the staircase here. We've got the granite countertops. Looks like the original cabinets, but it was actually painted. A lot of wear and tear on the cabinets here. All original. You can see how thick the paint is here. Doors are not closing all the way. So the uppers were an add-on here. Definitely the kitchen needs to be taken out and redone. Well, that's what I would do. Let's go take a look at the backyard. So we have an aftermarket covered patio. These are all aluminum. Here, it looks like they ran some conduit with some power. Added a couple switches with the ceiling fan. Lot size on this one is 5,663 square feet. We got solar screens. That's all aftermarket with the synthetic grass. And it looks like they added a slab and a nice cover awning. Concrete has been painted. Oh, we got some orange trees or lemon. I'm not too sure what that is, but so this looks like whoever lived here built this themselves. Doesn't look like it was done by a contractor. Also, they added the plumbing, the gray line here on the outside, as you can see, and it is tied to the gray line inside, which is kind of smart on their behalf, so that way now you have a sink that you can use. AC unit, looks like the original AC unit here. Oh, here are the original tiles, it looks like. Oh no, that's not the original tile, that's on the floor. This is the original AC unit. This AC unit right here has been upgraded. You got the dish. Here, the laundry room should be here. Then we have our secondary. This right here is just basically our gas fireplace. You got some spalding going on the retaining wall. So now we have aftermarket cladding here. Now one thing I would probably do is probably open this wall up here. Actually this wall, that could be a low bearing as well. But I would probably open this up to get more space. Guest bathroom. So we got Home Depot materials. Let's go take a look at the two-car garage. High ceilings, definitely love that. Oh, we have a connection for your electric vehicle. Oh, cool. Here we have a soft water. Looks like they had replaced the hot water heater. This is probably a 63-gallon, it looks like. How many gallons? Oh, this is only a 50-gallon. But when they replaced this, they added a drain pan. And the reason why they probably replaced this, probably because it was already leaking, you can actually tell by the stand here how all the paint is coming off. So that's the reason why they probably replaced that. All right, let's go inside. Our laundry room. So the laundry room is downstairs, so they built this stand here and did all tile. Did a front load, original cabinet. So that's what the cabinets look like in the kitchen there. So on this side we have our pantry. Now, if you guys are interested in this property, the earnest money deposit is $7,000. Oh, we got a coat closet here. Let's open this up. Okay. All right, looks like we got some shag carpet. This is original carpet, but not original during the time of the build. They probably replaced this carpet after. So this is the primary. Let's take a look at the bathroom here. All right, so original tub. Looks like they just did a bunch of cladding here. As you can see, the work was probably done by the homeowner. Definitely this was not done by a contractor, just as far as like attention to detail. And this is probably the first time doing this, but I mean, overall, pretty cool job though. Oh, look at that. Yeah, laying tile's not easy. All right, so for me, I feel like the closets are a little smaller. Here, I definitely would open all this up just to get some more room. But I do like this part right here, how it's just completely open. All right, let's take a look at this. Bedroom. Definitely have to paint this. There's no lights. But obviously you have a half hot, so that way, you know, you can put a lamp light in here. So this bedroom's in front of the house. Your half hot is going to be right there. We've got 9-foot ceilings, so that's a plus. It makes it look a lot bigger. Coax cables right here too as well. Again, you have your half hot, another coax cable. TV would go right here. 6-panel door. All right, let's take a look at the bathroom. Original cabinets, original countertops, sink. So this is the original tub and tile. Well, not the tile, but the tile has been upgraded. So it looks like we have a couple damaged drywall here and here. So that tells me that they tried to match the texture by using a spray can from Lowe's or Home Depot. They did the same thing over here, probably because of the door handle hitting the drywall without a door stop. Okay, our furnace is going to be right here. But I want to go take a look at this because remember how we were at the dining room area here and how that drywall started to sag. That is right above here. So the problem is this: if you're doing this yourself, and it was probably the homeowner that did this, because we have the gray line. If you start pushing it down, you could possibly crack that gray line where you can actually have some drips, right, into the drywall, into the subfloors, and that's probably what's causing it. I'm not too sure, or it has to do with the supply here. But again, we would have to do the inspections on this home to clarify it with a home inspector. Now the property taxes on here are going to be about $2,300 a year, which is not that bad actually. Home definitely has potential. Where the value is on this one will be the area. All right, guys, that is pretty much it for this video home tour. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, if you have any friends, family looking to purchase a home, make sure to share our videos. Other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed, folks.